Hello everyone, welcome to Ajmal Biology Vocabulary. Today I am going to explain what is reactive oxygen species. In short form it is called ROS. You will be surprised, amazed, shocked. You know why? Because ROS Ross is basically the boss of all kind of diseases, diseases. Ross is the boss of all kind of diseases, such as stroke, heart attack, cancer, any diseases. Ross play a very important part in every kind of diseases, or you can say even in animal as well as plant, even in bacteria. They are so dangerous, they can kill any organism on this planet. Ross is the boss of all diseases. And what is the cause? The fantastic, the shocking is that what is the cause? It's really very sad that cause is actually in our biological system. From where it comes? It comes from our metabolic process, biological metabolic process. Whatever we eat, suppose any substrate, example glucose. When glucose is break down during the glycolysis, it passes through the Krebs cycle, it goes to the oxidative metabolism inside the electron transport chain, and there these electrons slip here and there. They escape from this system and they start producing free radicals. Free radicals is also called ROS. So what is the cause? It is the biological metabolic process, natural biological metabolic process. And even it can introduce from outside, such as you are taking drugs or medicine, toxins or pollutant. That can also lead to cause all kind of diseases. That is the ROS. Let it make it more clear at a molecular level, at a chemical reaction. Let's talk about the ROS. Actually, this is the oxygen, molecular oxygen. And we know that these electrons are coming from your natural biological process. Natural biological process. And this electron is going to reduce this oxygen and it produces superoxide. Dangerous molecule. Very dangerous. This superoxide, again, it is going to reduce by gaining the electron and proton. It produces hydrogen peroxide. Again, it is dangerous. Again, it is going to take electron. It is the reduction process, progressive reduction process. It will take the electron and it will produce hydroxyl. And which radical, which intermediate is more dangerous? Hydroxyl is more dangerous than superoxide. Superoxide is moderate, hydroxyl is more dangerous, and least dangerous is hydrogen peroxide. So hydroxyls are the more dangerous, more unstable free radical. They are coming from the natural biological process which is going inside our body. And if you are very lucky, of course we all are lucky, then it produces water, more stable and neutral water molecule, which needed for our body, for our survival, growth, for our happiness. So these molecules, in between these molecules, this water and oxygen, there are a lot of reactive oxygen species is produced. So technically we can tell that what is ROS, especially reactive atoms, a group of atom or molecule that has one unpaired electron which are highly reactive, unstable, especially one that is produced in the body by a natural metabolic process or introduced from outside, for example toxin, pollutant, and that can lead to, you know what that can lead to? That can lead to damage cells, protein, lipid, DNA. You know what they do with the DNA? They alter the chemical structure. They will break the sugar phosphate backbone of the DNA, and your DNA will going to finish, completely damaged. Even RNA also, nitrogenous bases, these free radicals are really very perilous. So these are called reactive oxygen species, which are most highly dangerous species. But the good news is that to neutralize all these reactive oxygen species, we have antioxidant defense system. That is, for example, superoxide dismutase, catalase, hydrogen peroxide. These are the antioxidant defense system. But now you understand that what is the reactive oxygen species. It is the boss of all kind of disease. And from where it comes? The cause is that from the natural biological process, it produces intermediate. These are intermediate atom or molecule. When oxygen is going to produce water molecule, in between that intermediate molecules are the hydroxyl, the most dangerous. Then the superoxide, moderate dangerous. And hydrogen peroxide is the least dangerous. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.